Hey everyone! Today we're looking at one of the most affordable dress watches Seiko makes right now, the Seiko SWR064, better known as the Seiko Tank. At just about $210, this is a true hidden gem and the perfect starter rectangular dress watch. The Seiko Tank comes in stainless steel with a gold-plated finish, and honestly, the retro styling works. It measures 27.9 millimeters wide, 38.5 millimeters tall, and only 6.7 millimeters thick, with 30 meters of water resistance, nearly the same proportions as a Cartier Tank Louis. You even get a small black cabochon on the crown and a chamfered hardlex crystal. My only gripe is the odd 23 millimeter lug width, but the included brown leather strap is decent for the price. What makes this version special is its own personality. Instead of Roman numerals like most Cartier homages, the SWR064 features applied stick markers, dolphin hands, a champagne dial with subtle vertical stripes, and just the Seiko logo at 12. It's elegant, minimal, and distinctly Japanese rather than a direct copy. Inside is Seiko's reliable caliber 4N30 quartz movement. Hours and minutes only, no seconds hand, accurate to plus or minus 15 seconds per month with a 2-year battery. For an entry-level dress watch, it's exactly what you need. For around $210, you're getting Seiko reliability, a stylish rectangular case, and a watch that's perfect if you're curious about the Tank style without spending Cartier money. A real hidden gem. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts on the Seiko Tank below.